patient I will show in a case that in a wrong management of diet, after demise of the mother of that baby, keeping only on sabu, in our Bengal it is called sagu, only carbohydrate based feeding, there is no protein, kwashiorkor developed, and the baby came to me asking that this baby has got frequent respiratory infection. They didn't even know that he has got problem. And after that, we managed that successfully. I will come to that point. So some mismanagement is also there of the low birth weight baby. But now it is possible for the availability of complementary food and the low birth weight formula, even where mother is not present, to manage those baby. So that is the most important part of sharing this thing in this situation here. As one nutritional company is organizing this thing, so all credit goes to them. Already said, just now already told, only cow's milk is not enough for the low birth weight baby. So low birth weight management nutrition, the view from the rural setup view, here in this slide I have given that here I have given that hypothermia already I have told that is not very important, and the very important is hypoglycemia, because in low birth weight, usually in nursing home also what happens, that doctors say that the breast milk will come within 1 or 2 days. But in case of low birth weight, and we know in case of baby of diabetic mother, we cannot wait for that when mother's milk will come, and hypoglycemia may occur. Here this self-monitoring glucometer, simply a bedside test, is very important to diagnose that thing. So this is the thing which is possible now. And birth asphyxia, I said it needs referral. And vitamin K, it is available in everywhere, even in peripheral hospital also. For convulsion, calcium, magnesium, I have said it. Jaundice, if it is higher, it needs referral for phototherapy or for extensive required, but most of the times it can be managed at home according to the level. Sepsis, in nursing home setup also, for some days some antibiotics are given. However, it is important how